In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize ChatGPT replies. To get started, look to the bottom left corner of your ChatGPT screen. Click the profile icon you see there, then choose Personalize. This is your hub for tailoring how ChatGPT responds, so it better matches your preferences and your work style. Inside Personalize, you'll find several sections. First, explore characteristics. Think of this as the personality layer. Here, you can guide how ChatGPT shows up for you day to day, whether you prefer messages that are concise or more detailed, gentle or direct, playful or strictly professional. Small tweaks here can make replies feel far more natural and aligned with how you like to communicate. Next, check out base style and tone. This is where you set the general voice you want in your conversations. For example, you might prefer a casual tone for brainstorming and a more formal tone for client-ready drafts. If you often need technical accuracy, note that here. If you value simplicity and plain language, say so. These choices help ensure responses land with the right vibe for your audience. Custom instructions let you provide helpful context that shapes replies across chats. Share the kinds of tasks you do, the tools or formats you prefer, and any recurring goals you have. For instance, if you're frequently writing summaries or need step-by-step guidance, mention it. Keep it practical and avoid including private details. Focus on preferences that help the assistant be useful without exposing sensitive information. You can also add details about you. A nickname helps ChatGPT address you the way you like, and your occupation or field can steer examples and explanations toward what's most relevant. If there's more about you that would consistently improve answers, like preferred citation styles or the level of background explanation you want, add that here. Again, skip anything confidential. In memory settings, you can control whether ChatGPT remembers your preferences across future chats. Turning this on can save you from repeating yourself, while turning it off keeps every conversation fresh and isolated. Choose the level of persistence that fits your comfort and privacy needs. Finally, visit Advanced Settings to fine-tune the experience even further. This area is great for shaping how thorough, structured, or streamlined you want responses to be, so the output matches your workflow right from the start. That's it. Anytime your needs change, just return to the profile icon and personalize to adjust. With a few thoughtful choices here, you'll notice replies quickly feel more consistent, more relevant, and far more you.